I thought of this transition for this sound. I don't know, it might work, it might not work, I don't know. Today we're gonna do something interesting, and that is I'm gonna glue these on my eyelid. You know, we're getting ready for the Euphoria season. Absolutely no one asked for this. I just like to make myself do things that are hard for no reason. Gonna be a little bit basic with this part, but the diamonds, they will tie this look together, hopefully. I don't think that this one's gonna be done in 10 minutes because diamonds. I think I'm gonna go like this. I hope this is not the, you know what, Voldemort. Okay, I'm just gonna take the... Okay. Ivan.
Bak, det går
God. Oh my god. Check. Oof. So the news is I'm the stupidest person on the planet. This is not real. I had this on my desk since Halloween and I forgot about it. I'm honestly still recovering from the spider drama. Like, I was convinced it was over for me, okay? I think this is officially enough diamonds. I'm gonna do the other eye. The outfit change. I don't have any eyebrows. Okay, the eyebrows I am okay with. Let's do the eyelashes. This lash. I'm gonna let my hair down. My hair is juicy today. The Voldemort. Decided to go with the good old trusty Ichiban. I'm going to put it on the color corrector. Have your elbow and you're gonna push it like this on the camera. That's how you get the transition. Okay, let's go. 3, 2, 1.